much better, but as you can tell, my voice is not back 100%, but it's okay. I'm rocking this raspiness as if I own it. Anyway, I recorded this video a couple of weeks ago, and I wanted to just go ahead and upload it. It's really quick. I know I don't give details, but I do have another video coming soon. But this was just one morning. I did this quick little soft matte everyday look. I have been loving the soft matte looks, and I wanted to use my Nubian 3 Coral palette to do this look because like I said, I love my Juvia Place palettes, and I love the neutral looks, the soft matte neutral looks, and the Juvia's Place palettes have been so awesome for that. So anyway, enjoy the rest of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across across all your social media sites. And yeah, oh, and I do have a P.O. box now, so it's down in the description box. So if you want to bless your girl with anything, then yeah, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.